Hi, I'm Donna Miller with Miller Crafts. I'm going to show you how to take an image and design space, turn it into a drawing, and have the Cricut cut around your drawing. I'm also going to make a Christmas card with this that Santa would like, so stick around for the end of the video. If you like this video, please click and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell to get notified of future videos. I want the top layer of this cookie to be drawn and the Cricut to cut around it. So I'm going to start with the layers panel and hit duplicate so that I have two layers showing now. So one of them I want to be drawn and the second one I'm going to want to be cut. So I'm going to go up to line type and I'm going to turn one of them to cut. So the next thing I'm going to do is go to the fill right beside the line type, click on that and click no fill. So it just turned black, and I'm going to go to the layers panel and hit contour, and then you want to click hide all contours and X that out, and now you have a solid black background, except for I don't want it to be black, so I'm going to hit the button at the top and turn it white. So then you want to click and drag the two together, and then I'm going to hit arrange and send to front so the top of the cookie is on the top. Click and drag over both of them to select both of the layers, and then go to align and you want to center these so that way they will be equal together. And then you want to go to your layers panel and hit attach, and these will be attached together. Then you want to click make it, and as you look at the mat and you move this around, you can see they move together, which is what you're going to want. Then you're going to want to cut this out, and you'll see the Cricut draws it and it cuts right through it, which looks great. To make sure that the border looks even, use a Sharpie to go around all of your borders. The paper I'm using is from Bow Bunny. It has a really good variety of Christmas papers and backgrounds. I really like the paper that had the Christmas cookies and the mittens on it. So I'm going to glue that down to my blue background using art glitter glue. Art glitter glue is my favorite glue to use. So this says making cookies for Santa. I really like the dimensions on there. You can see where we drew that out. And I'm going to lay that down with foam tape. And I got this from Miss Kate Cuttables. So check out her website if you like getting really cheap SVGs. They go for 50 cents in her store online. So I'm just going to press that down on there. And we'll take a look at the inside. The inside says, Santa stop here, we have cookies. And I just love this card. I think it's funny and it's like bribing Santa for presents, and I just think that's kind of funny. So I hope that you like this video today, and I hope that you click and subscribe and hit that bell to get notified of future videos.